Ladies and gentlemen, we're standing on the corner of First Avenue and 24th Street here in Manhattan, New York City. It's like a sunny day and a very sunny day. Bicycles are going by. By the way, this side is facing uptown. First Avenue is a one-way street. 24th Street here is known for this School of Dentistry. Right on the corner here. Yep. Just another day here in the Big Apple. Random sights and sounds going by right now. Let's look at the downtown direction. Hospital in the back there. Light change. Bike waiting. Random sights and sounds, literally. So, okay, you see, they have a huge bike lane here, and the bike lane is such where it's like
You're supposed to keep it for 2 hours.
this wasn't always here. People use it two-way with a one-way bike lane. I'll be back. Advert Vista.